Calcite is a material that most of us have heard of, and aside from the fact that it's one of the most abundant inorganic materials that we find in nature, it's actually celebrated for its extraordinary diversity and habit. Now, I've got videos explaining exactly how they form, but they essentially form under varying geological and environmental conditions, and its versatility stems from its crystalline structure, allowing it to adopt countless forms that are influenced by the surrounding environment. This will be things like impurities and specific chemical interactions. So calcite occurs in a very, very, very broad range of colours and colourless and transparent to shades of white and grey and yellow and orange and pink and even sometimes black. So this depends on the various trace elements and inclusions present during its underlying growth. So its rhombohedral cleavage, a defining feature of calcite, enables it to form distinctive shapes such as scalenohedrons, rhombohedrons, prisms, as well as tabular crystals. We also find calcite in all manner of different kinds of rock, ranging from sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic, which kind of highlights its ability to adapt to various different environments. So I'll give you an example. In things like sedimentary settings, calcite is a primary component of limestone and chalk, forming through precipitation from water rich in dissolved calcium carbonate, or sometimes the accumulation of marine organisms. Now, in caves, calcite creates really beautiful formations like stalactites and stalagmites through the slow deposition of calcium carbonate from dripping water over enormous periods of time. Metamorphic, on the other hand, these processes can transform calcite into marble, which kind of shows its ability to change under intense heat and pressure. Interestingly, calcite also exhibits a broad spectrum of optical and physical properties, and these are going to include things like double refraction, fluorescence, and even phosphorescence, which kind of makes it scientifically valuable and quite visually wonderful. Probably one more phenomenon of note is twinning, which is another notable feature of calcite, which produces complex intergrowths that further enhance its diversity, which is, especially amongst other minerals, extraordinarily diverse. It's argued that calcite can exhibit upwards of 700 different kinds of habit. So physically, it's probably one of the most diverse materials that we encounter inorganically.